Installing a solid wood staircase is a detailed process that combines precise measurements with expert craftsmanship. It begins with closing the stair ends, ensuring each connection between the stair and the wall is seamless and tight. Every cut is measured to fit perfectly, leaving no gaps and maintaining a clean, professional look. Then comes the challenge of handling curved joints. For staircases that bend or turn, the wood pieces must be custom-shaped, aligned, and fastened with absolute accuracy. Each curve must flow smoothly, and every step must be consistent in height and spacing to ensure both beauty and safety. Once the structure is set, the installation of the handrail begins. The handrail defines the character of the staircase while providing essential support. Baluster positions are marked, drilled, and secured, and the railing is placed to follow the curve of the stairs with natural symmetry. After that, every surface is sanded, polished, and inspected for stability and finish quality. The grain of the wood is highlighted while protective treatment ensures durability. From the first cut to the final polish, every detail matters. This is not just assembly, it's craftsmanship at its finest, transforming raw wood into a functional and elegant centerpiece of the home.